In Google Sheets, a cell is a rectangular space where a row and column intersect. Cells are the fundamental units of a spreadsheet and can hold various types of data, including numbers, formulas, and other values. Knowing how to select cells is essential in Google Sheets. Let's select the cell that contains the company Apple. Cells are identified by a cell name or reference, which is a combination of the column letter and the row number. For example, we have selected cell A5, which is the cell at the intersection of column A and row 5. The selected cell will have a border around it. Also, the column letter and row number will be shaded. The cell reference can also be seen in the name box at the upper left corner. To select multiple cells, hold the Shift key down, then use the arrow keys to select additional cells. While holding down the Shift key, I will press the down arrow key 3 times, then the right arrow key 1 time to select these 8 cells. To select an entire row, click on the row header. This will highlight all the cells in that row. Additionally, the row header will be shaded darker to show that the entire row is selected. Selecting columns isn't very different to selecting rows. To select a column, click the column header. All the cells in that column are selected. Also, the column's header is shaded darker to indicate that the entire column is selected. To select multiple columns, hold the Shift key, then press the left or right arrow keys to select additional columns. I will click in a cell in the spreadsheet to deselect the 4 columns. To select all the cells in the spreadsheet, click the Select All box in the upper left corner. Please note that you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A to select all the cells. In this lesson, you learned about selecting cells in Google Sheets, including how to select multiple cells, rows, and columns.